Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel.
We know that Christmas is just around the corner and everyone's probably busy setting up their homes for this occasion, buying gifts for friends, family, or loved ones. And for me, I have only one request as a gift for this Christmas, and I don't need anything. So come and join me and I will show you.
So come and join me to unpack my latest GoPro 9.
So finally, this is what I wanted for this Christmas, and I don't need anything.
So finally, I got my present. I don't request for anything but except for this one. And to my Santa, thank you so much. I cannot wait to try this tomorrow. And to GoPro as well, thank you so much for sending this so fast. I just ordered this 3 days ago and today I received it. Thank you so much and I cannot wait to try this tomorrow. Thank you!
To all my subscribers, family, loved ones, friends, my boss and colleagues, and to all my kababayan, I wish you all a happy holiday. May this occasion brings you happiness with your family. I always pray for our good health and safety. God bless everyone and advance Merry Christmas.